our world, our lives, the future. What is the role that belongs to us for the protection of the environment? A vision is gently insinuated and remains to reduce our footprint, that is, to reduce the environmental impact in a socially responsible business environment. Every day, it is a mission for us, starting with the processing of raw materials. Part of the material used is iron scrap. When it has finished its life cycle, we recycle it. But even when each one of us makes separate waste collection, all the steel bars that we store in the container are becoming a raw material for us. Our commitment to recycled materials also occurs during our production. In fact, we reuse all that is possible, from the scrap of internal melting and masonry to the turning operations of our pieces, where we get machined mechanical residues that, compacted with special machines, we recycle completely. With this method, more than 3/4 of our raw materials are reuse and recycle of previously used materials. All these materials are placed in the oven, which, thanks to a careful and efficient use of the best energy resources, allows to complete the melting process. The heat obtained by high melting temperatures is used to heat the air that re-enters the plant to help fusing processes and saves energy and coal. Let's not forget, however, that when you turn on an oven, you always need a fireplace. All companies that have fireplaces must be authorized, must have say-so, a patent issued by the authority that decides what can be done or how to produce. This authorization includes limits for substances that are placed in the atmosphere, which must be respected and cannot be exceeded. We have decided that, even in this case, we can do more. We are forced to further lower these limits. We want an even cleaner sky and a better surrounding environment. Our commitment is also reflected in the products that we make in our foundries. For example, we develop components for the wind power sector, which represent one of the sustainable borders for the production of renewable energy, thus contributing to the preservation of the world in which we live. Within the personal establishment and technologically advanced facilities, they monitor the production phases at any time. While we are at work, we also pay close attention to the resources we use on the planet. We are careful not to consume more water and sand than is necessary. And in all cases, the plants that distribute water and preparation of the forming ground are at closed circuit. As much as possible, it is always rejuvenated and reused. When it is not, then waste is generated. But on this occasion, we continue to responsibly produce recycled material. In fact, much of the waste coming from our company is destined for reuse. And here we have come back to our vision, our footprint, our world. The Foundry, an eco-sustainable enterprise realized in respect of the territory and for the growth of the values that we feel most important of anything else.